we're gonna do some homework so I can write on the letters. And I have a surprise for you.
That was a good job.
I did all of them. Are
You did a
proud
great
of
job.
me?
I'm very proud of you.
Now what?
You want to do another page?
I love you because this mommy is the best. I'm not ever gonna get another mommy. I love this mommy. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Alright, so we're gonna do some homework so I can write on the letters. And I have a surprise for you. I'm gonna get my juice boxes and cookies. If you know, I will tell you in a second. And tell your mommy and dad, and don't forget my doggy and Coco, and you surprise her one day later. Okay? Bye bye.
I guess if you got all that, don't forget his surprise.
I gotta do the new one.
Not this.
Why did this keep drying off?
Yeah, because it's the eraser. It's a marker. You can go to the next page.
You help,
Please.
please.
Sure.
Because it's a lot of pages. What's this one?
This is horizontal lines, or you could do this one. Trace the lines to match the animals with their favorite foods. So you go straight across.
This one likes grass.
Yeah, that one likes grass. Do you want to try it?
This one likes this one likes apples.
Well, let's go straight across. What is it like?
Dog food.
Dog food. So you draw this line. Draw as straight as possible. Okay. Do you think we can make that a second line better?
This one
Yeah,
likes bananas.
Yeah. What kind of animal is that? Ooh, that line doesn't look straight. It's looking, ooh, that line's looking rough. Okay, I don't love this second line. Try the third one.
Huh?
What kind of animal is this?
Monkey.
What is a monkey like?
Bananas.
Good.
I like bananas too, like a monkey.
Yeah, me too.
It can be both of ours, but we don't eat dog food, but Coco does.
Coco does eat dog.
Because she's a dog, a baby dog.
What is the baby dog called? Do you know?
He has one eyeball.
Yeah, his eye's probably on the other side. Okay, ready? Let's see how straight we can draw this line.
Careful.
Take your time. Ooh, it's looking rough. Take your time. It's not looking real straight. Oh, I don't love this line.
Yes, you do. I'm writing it.
It looks like you're drawing O's, but you're supposed to be going straight.
Yes, I'm trying to do it.
Okay, that's looking a lot better. Oh, I'm feeling like your lines are not straight.
Yes, they are.
I don't know.
Yes, they are.
Oh, that was straight. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe we'll do this for popcorn. Let's see how straight we get this line.
Yay.
Oh, so popcorn is the incentive.
But I can still have some.
Yes. That was a good job.
I did all of them. Are you
You did a great
proud
job.
of me?
I'm very proud of you.
Now what?
You want to do another page?
I love you because this mommy is the best. I'm not ever gonna get another mommy. I love this mommy. Tell her, guys. You never seen her. All right, bye.
Thank you. That was so sweet. I love you so much.
Now I'm using it.
Yeah, next page. Let's see.
I did the triangles.
You did. Oh, you did a great job. But you did these by yourself? No, you did.
No, do I have to do these?
Those are called diagonal lines. You can do those if you want.
But you helped me with it.
Yeah. So you just follow the dots. Oh, that was really good. Yeah. All the way down. Follow the dots. Follow the dots. Perfect. That was perfect. Good job. Okay, while you make these diagonal lines, can I start making your popcorn?
She might go.
Oh, it's okay. Okay.
Can I do this?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm in front of my tree. Much better. In front of my tree, sitting here right now. Just finished doing homework with Jonathan, and I have presents I'm supposed to wrap, but I don't feel like doing it today. So maybe tomorrow. That was gonna be that vlog. Tonight is like a realistic night in my life. I am home. Just got home off of work. Not just now. Just like I think I got home like 5:30 or so. So not too bad. I definitely have to wrap these presents though, y'all. Okay. So I can start putting presents under the tree. But honestly, honestly and truly, I don't feel like doing anything tonight. So, realistic night in my life is me doing this. What I'm gonna do is probably clean up the kitchen a little bit, and I'm trying to think what else I gotta do. Kitchen and living room, because I don't like to go to sleep with it dirty. I have to give Jonathan a bath and take a shower and then go from there. Oh, so I have a Christmas party on Thursday, so I finally found my dress that I was looking for, and it fits me better than I thought it did. Isn't that crazy? Like, I thought that it wasn't gonna fit me good, but it does fit me really good. So sorry y'all, this is a terrible angle, but yeah. So update on my sewing. These are my little baby edges, but my head hurts right here, y'all. Like, this hurts a little, and that track right here hurts. So I don't know. Finished. So yeah, just made Jonathan some popcorn. I'm washing clothes. I need to put the clothes in the dryer, and then I am going to give him a bath, and then I'm gonna take a shower. That's gonna be my night. That's gonna be it. So yeah, tomorrow's a hot day, but I know what hat I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna be so cute. So you're gonna see the next few days of my life, realistically. All right. So hopefully this is a okay angle. I don't know how crazy it's gonna look, but this is what I'm looking like right now. So normally this is my normal nighttime routine. You might hear my washer or dryer or whatever. I don't know what my yellow comb is. It should be also my yellow comb for my hair. My head is hurting for some reason, like I said, but I don't know why. Last night I put cheat in my hair and wrapped it, so I'm gonna do that again. And this is just like still confusion. I'm trying not to put too much. Oh, my air pump. I'm trying not to put too much heat on my hair, y'all. So this is actually working out for me. Only thing I do notice is that my hair doesn't curl with the what is it called? With the flexi rods. So I've just been flexi rodding my hair up. No, not good. Take it, twist it. Take it. See, like this is my hair. Twist it, take it, twist it, take it, twist it, twist it, twist it. So I can't twist it anymore. It's nice and tight. And then there. I'll try to do like maybe 4 or so on this side. And this has just been preserving my curls, so I don't have to really do much in the mornings. So I try to do maybe like 3 or 4 on this side, 3 or 4 on the other side. Twist, twist, twist. And then twist this up. I thought I could pull some of my hair out. This is my hair right here, perimeter, just like twisted the other way. Twist, 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 twist. Yep. That's the side. I have to take one of these out. Which side is this closest to? Oh, no. This is actually my hair right now. Goes to like right there. But I don't know which one I should twist this up with. Maybe the top one. I've been sleeping on these and they've been okay so far. I can't really complain too much. They've been lasting too. Like I said, they've been lasting pretty good. So I'm happy about that. I want to see what it's going to look like when I straighten it. Just wear it straight. But go. that side's done. So then we'll just do this side, same thing. I just put your favorite friend that's always telling you to subscribe to my channel to sleep. He's driving me. Sorry, y'all, your drive. This is, I told y'all it's realistic. Like, this is really what happens in the night. I actually have like 4 more loads of clothes I need to wash. Maybe 5. But for now, this is what I do. Okay, so this is what I look like at night going to bed with my new sewing. I have, ooh, that one piece being so close. I have one piece of hair. It's like strands. The little hairs that are not blending, it's okay. So you can even see the top of my hair, what it looks like. I feel like I'm kind of losing my part a little bit. Like my new growth or my natural hair wants to like push over. I'm trying to do that, but not bad. It's just not wanting me to be great. So I'm going to tie it down. And that's it. So that's my hair done. Saw Jonathan doing his homework earlier. I ate a little bit earlier too. This is what I'm looking like now. And I'm washing clothes and drying them. Let me go check. I can go take a shower. By the time I get back, I'll be ready to go to bed. And that will be done. This beauty room up so bad. I'm using this, which is this daily cleansing balm from Burt's. They dissolve cleansing balm.